Okay, we were about to show you guys our room tour, but another surprise came to our door before we could even get started. We had this tea delivered, green tea and a traditional cookie, of course with a wet towel for ourselves. Hot, very hot towel. But yeah, let's go check out the room. So we come in this door here, main door. Turn here, there's a butler's door, so if you're getting something delivered, it's access from behind our door, and then we can just get the stuff here. Cute little plant, robes and whatnot. They actually delivered our luggage up here for us. When we came in here, we went to the first lobby, right? Yeah. And then someone escorted us to the actual lobby. Yeah. Then that person took us to another lobby where we got checked in. Yeah. And then the lady actually took us up into our room and showed us how everything works in here. And then someone else brought our luggage. It's crazy.
Brought everything.
So this is the double sinks and whatnot. There's a shower out here with pretty nice view. There's a bathtub here, shower here. And then if you come in here, there's a little sauna. So this is a steam sauna. Showed us how to operate that. So we're gonna probably check that out later. Oh, look, there's a TV in here, babe. Nice. I didn't even notice that.
And the TV in the bathroom.
That's pretty sick. And then this is our room. We're at the Okura Hotel in Tokyo, and we booked the Heritage Suite. There's two different buildings, the Heritage Suite, and what's the other one called?
The classic, the traditional.
A Prestige, which is like the newer building. We booked in the older one because, I don't know, we just wanted a different experience. We read the reviews on this one. They were really, really good. And everything here is automated. Gerhardt's going to, he's been playing with this, the controls over here. So he's checking it all out. This is the view from our room. There's a little field down there. They're doing some construction here. This is a museum, a hotel museum. I'm not sure exactly what's in there, but she told us she'd give us a complimentary ticket for it if we want to go tomorrow. But really nice view. Got a corner room, so views out each way we look. King bed, and then we have a little seating area here. So this is where our tea got delivered, and then when we got here also, they were delivering us a little gift for our honeymoon, which is so cute. It just says happy honeymoon, and it's some fresh fruit. The strawberries smell so good.
And this box.
Oh yeah, and then she brought us over here and showed us a little present here with a bunch of things in it. We're gonna have to go through this all later and see what all we got in there. I'm not really sure. It looks like some bags. I don't know what else. But we'll have a look at that. And then we also have a bar, which is also all complimentary. So what do we have in here? Potato chips, maybe some nuts, waters, lots of coffee and tea. And then, oh yeah, some beer. Oh, I don't know what this is. Blueberry drink and mango drink. Looks really good. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course the actual toilet room, bathroom. I don't know where the light is. There we go. Oh no, that's not it either.
I don't know.
And a bidet, of course, in every single bathroom there is here.
This is a cool place.
Yeah, we're excited to check it out. We're just gonna hang out, get some food delivered, and
we used all our American Express's points on that.
Yes, American Express. We didn't pay any actual cash for this because it's like, I don't know, what was it, $1,500-$1,600 a night? Yeah. Something like that, something crazy. So we were not willing to spend that, but our points got us here. So we're very thankful for that.
This is our last night.
Yep.
Before we head to Bali.
That's right. Last night here in Tokyo.
See ya.